Thularis was created to help freelancers, professionals, and small businesses simplify and enhance their daily work by providing practical tools to instantly become more productive and organized. With over 20 years of hands-on experience in the industrial and automotive sectors, we offer you clear, straightforward tutorials on Excel and similar tools. Ready-to-use digital templates, both free and premium. Proven project management strategies to manage projects effectively. Practical tips to take action immediately and make a difference, without fluff or unnecessary complications. Our goal is simple: help you save time, reduce chaos, and enable you to work better every day with smart, concrete solutions. Step into the world of Thularis. Here, you'll find the right tools to build your own unique way of creating.